First of all, to achieve the basic drone, puff out your cheeks and push out your lips, drawing the corners of your mouth back a bit, allowing the center part of your lips to be loose. Blow air through your lips, allowing them to vibrate, making a low-pitched buzzing sound. Now transfer this loose-lipped buzzing technique to the mouthpiece of the didgeridoo. There are two styles: straight on the mouthpiece centered on the lips or below the nose, or to the right or left of the center. Both methods are acceptable. Just use whichever seems natural to you. Never press the mouthpiece tightly against your lips, as this interferes with the buzzing of the lips and will cause the lips to become sore after playing for a short amount of time. Take a deep breath through your nose and blow evenly down the didgeridoo while buzzing your lips. If the sound is high-pitched, like a trumpet, relax your lips a little so they vibrate at a lower rate. If your note sounds flat and weak, try blowing a little harder. Then create your first rhythms by bouncing air through your buzzing lips using tummy muscles, just as if we were expelling air like a deep belly laugh, like Santa, ho ho ho. Using the diaphragm while playing the didgeridoo is important, as the strongest respiratory muscle that can supply the largest amount of volume for the least amount of work. One of the primary health benefits of playing the didgeridoo involves the use of this muscle, so breathe deeply and feel the beat.